In this video, you'll learn how to build a minimum viable product using Claude Code. By following these steps, you will set up a simple backend for a feedback system application. To begin, open PowerShell on your computer. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and the X key simultaneously. A menu will appear on your screen. From this menu, select Windows Terminal. This will launch the terminal interface where you can enter commands. Next, ensure you are inside your project folder. You can navigate to your project directory by typing dd cd mvp app into the terminal. After entering this command, press enter. If successful, the terminal will change its prompt to indicate that you are now in the MVP app directory. Now that you are in the correct folder, it is time to start Claude. Type Claude into the terminal and hit enter. After a moment, your screen should change to display a prompt that looks like this: a greater than sign followed by a space. This indicates that Claude is ready and waiting for your input. At this stage, you need to paste a specific block of text that contains instructions for Claude. First, copy the entire block of text that outlines the requirements for your MVP backend. The text should specify the technologies you want to use, the features of the application, and the expected output. To paste the copied text into PowerShell, right-click inside the terminal window, or you can press Ctrl+V simultaneously. After pasting the text, press Enter to submit your instructions to Claude. You will notice that Claude will then begin processing your request. Claude will generate the necessary SQL code and the server.js code for your feedback system application. At this point, do not pad or any other editor yet. Ensure that you only pasted the instructions into Claude, as that is all that is required for this step.